Welcome back. Today is the first attempt of cooking dog food second attempt of cooking dog food in Instapot. I have 10-pound pork shoulder and 2 pounds of vegetables. First problem. That motherfucker don't fit. I gotta cut the bitch somehow or another. Now I have to go get my fucking sawzall and saw that bitch up. Oh wait, I got a bigger saw. I'll go get the bigger saw. But I'll be right back. Okay, now I got this son of a bitch fucking cut in half. That was a goddamn job. And still haven't even fucking pushing a weight limit I'm supposed to be picking up. This is 10 pounds, so it's 5 pounds. I cut it to 5 pounds. And I'm using the bone part. And see all the nice little hairs. This shit's disgusting. I can't stand pork. I don't need it. Alright. This is an 8-quart Instapot. That's why the 10-pounder didn't fit in there. That little gadget there, come with your Instapot. So, what I'm going to do is set that like so. And then I'm going to fill up to the max here with water. Because later on, the vegetables and rice is going to be cooked in this too. But the dogs won't eat the rice and the vegetables without the flavoring. If you just want to just cook it without that, you can. Pretty easy. Put it on. So I had to stew me. This one here has soup and broth. And then it's going to be for 45 minutes. And stop. Make sure your thing's closed and that's down. And we wait. And we'll take that and put it in the freezer. Use my little vacuum bag to put it up until we get to the next part.
Okay, so I just opened the pot Instapot after I turned it off and let the steam out. Try to take some of this juice out so I can put the vegetables and rice in there so there's enough room. I don't want to overpack it too much. And we'll just pour this juice back over in the dog's food. This is going to be their fresh pork shoulder meal for the week. So I scooped it down to where it's pretty good below the max point. I think we're all right there. So now I'm going to add the vegetables. I'm just going to pour them in here. I think it's about 2 pounds. A 2-pound bag of mixed vegetables. And I'm still going to have to take some more juice out because there's not going to be enough room for pasta or rice. Trying to get juice out without getting vegetables, but it's kind of hard because I done put the dang vegetables in there. Alright. So there's that. I'll pour that back in there if there's room when it's all done. I'm going to put elbow. He wanted me to pour rice, but I'm going to do elbow macaronis because all I have is my jasmine rice. And the dog ain't getting jasmine rice. I hate it for them. They can have cheap rice, but they're not getting it. I can have my elbow macaroni. I'm going to put a pound of elbows in there. Turn it back on for a little bit. So this is what it looks like with the elbows and the vegetables in. I'm fixing to put the lid back on and start it back up. It's locked down. Turn the pressure valve off. Vent. Make sure. Seal. Once I've got it shut and closed, I put it on soup and broth, and I'll put it on about 20 minutes. That should cook the vegetables and the macaronis that I stuck in there. And there's the video.
End result. And, oh shit, damn, the knuckles are coming apart. Ah. All the time me trying to cut that motherfucker, I couldn't get it to cut. Oh, by the way, this is how gelatin's made too. Boil and shit. Of course, some asshole didn't stir it up.
Yes, I did.
It don't look like it.
I did.
Want to try a bite?
No thanks.
Come
It
on.
makes me want to vomit.
You know you like pork.
No, I not like that. I don't. That shit's still hot as hell.
Yeah, that's why I took it out of the thing. And that's how you make dog food. So expensive dog food to y'all.